Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to screen record on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. First, you can simply go to your keyboard and press Windows icon plus G, and there will be app like this. You can just click capture, and then if you want to start record you can click it, but this app cannot record Windows desktop or file explorer. But if you want to do it, you can do with OBS Studio app. Let's say I want to screen record my Chrome like this, and I will try press again Windows icon plus G, and let's click capture, and then you can click start recording. But if you want to turn on audio, you can click it, and then you can start record. If you want to stop it, you can click stop it like this, or Windows Alt R. It's done. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.